Insurance companies won't tell you this hidden secret about replacement cost versus actual cash value. Replacement cost pays you the full amount to replace your damaged items with brand new ones. No deductions, no questions asked. You wreck your 5-year-old TV? You get enough money to buy the latest model. Actual cash value is totally different. They'll subtract depreciation from your claim. That means your 5-year-old TV is worth way less than what you paid. Think garage sale prices, not retail prices. Here's a real example. Your $1,000 laptop gets stolen. With replacement cost coverage, you get $1,000 to buy a new one. But with actual cash value, they might only give you $400 because your laptop lost value over time. The crazy part? Replacement cost coverage usually only costs a few dollars more per month on your policy. But most people don't know to ask for it. Pro tip, always choose replacement cost coverage for your important belongings. It's worth the small price difference, especially for electronics, furniture, and valuable items. The insurance companies hope you don't figure this out, but now you know. When shopping for insurance, specifically ask about replacement cost coverage. Your future self will thank you when you need to file a claim. Your belongings are worth protecting at their full value. Don't let depreciation eat away at your insurance payout.